the little mouse on a grand adventure. It was a sunny morning on the peaceful farm of Golden Valley. Dew glistened on the leaves of the plants, and the birds chirping announced the start of another tranquil day. Flick, a small gray-furred mouse with sharp eyes, emerged from his burrow in the barn in search of fresh seeds. He loved exploring the farm and, whenever he could, visited his best friend, Rufus, the shepherd dog. Rufus lived in a small house near the farm gate. He was large, with brown fur, wearing a red collar that highlighted his guardian demeanor. Despite his imposing appearance, Rufus had a gentle heart and adored Flick's clever ideas. That morning, the two met near the orchard, chatting animatedly. Or rather, Rufus barked while Flick squeaked silently, words the dog seemed to understand perfectly. The two friends spent their time exploring the yard and watching the chickens, happily pecking in the dirt. It was a calm routine filled with little moments of joy. But while Flick and Rufus enjoyed the peacefulness, something was about to change. Behind the bushes, at the edge of the forest, a pair of watchful eyes observed the farm. It was a cunning fox whose devious plans were still unknown to everyone. When night fell, the farm quieted down. The ducks retreated to the pond, the chickens perched in the coop, and Rufus took his post beside his house. Flick, ever curious, climbed onto the barn roof to gaze at the stars. He had a peculiar habit of counting stars before sleeping, something that helped him relax after a day full of adventures. As Flicker admired the starry sky, a faint rustle came from the bushes near the chicken coop. Rufus, his eyes half closed, perked up his ears, but thought it was just the wind. However, the sly fox was already putting her plan into action. Silent as a shadow, she crept toward the chicken coop, ready to cause her first mischief. The next day, the farm awoke in an uproar. A chicken clucked desperately, and the farmer discovered that an egg was missing. Rufus, feeling guilty for not preventing the theft, lowered his head in shame. Flick, on the other hand, looked at the tracks in the dirt with a determined glint in his eyes. He knew something had to be done, and that, together, he and Rufus could protect the farm from the cunning intruder. The morning continued bustling as the farm animals talked about the theft. The chickens clucked indignantly, and the ducks at the pond chattered about the incident. Flick, ever observant, decided to investigate the fox's tracks. He noticed they led to the edge of the forest, where the terrain became denser and full of bushes. Rufus, still upset for not noticing the intrusion, approached Flick. The little mouse stood on his hind legs, as if asking for attention, and pointed to the tracks. Rufus sniffed the ground, recognizing the scent of the intruder. Flick knew his friend needed a plan to regain his confidence, and together they decided to monitor the farm more closely. During the day, Flick scurried around the barn looking for materials that could be useful. He found pieces of string and small rusty bells stored in an old box. Meanwhile, Rufus patrolled the farm's perimeter, staying alert for any suspicious movements. As the sun set, Flick and Rufus gathered to set up a rudimentary alert system. Flick tied the bells along a string that he wrapped around the chicken coop. Any movement in the area would trigger the sound, alerting Rufus to a possible invasion. Rufus watched intently, impressed by his small friend's ingenuity. That night, while everyone slept, Flick stayed awake, observing from his burrow. Rufus, lying near the chicken coop, was ready to act. The farm seemed calm, but the fox, always cunning, hid in the shadows, waiting for the right opportunity to strike again. Suddenly, the sound of a bell echoed through the night. Rufus quickly stood up, his eyes scanning for the source of the noise. Flick emerged from his burrow and climbed to the top of the barn, where he could get a wide view of the farm. The fox, realizing she had been discovered, retreated into the forest, frustrated at her failed attempt. At dawn, Flick and Rufus reviewed the bell system and realized it needed adjustments. Though they had stopped the theft, they knew the fox would return with new tricks. Determined, the two friends decided to refine their tactics to protect the farm even more effectively. A new threat of the fox motivated Flick and Rufus to intensify their preparations. During the day, Flick devised strategies, while Rufus carried out the heavier tasks. The little mouse decided that a system of traps would be the best solution to protect the farm. Flick began exploring the farm's storage shed. He found old tools, some wooden planks, and even a worn-out net that could be repurposed. Rufus carefully carried the materials, following Flick's instructions. The collaboration between the two friends was seamless, each contributing with their unique skills. With the tools in hand, Flick outlined a simple yet clever plan. He would use the net to create a trap near the chicken coop. When the fox tried to invade, the net would fall, trapping her until the farmer found her in the morning. Rufus helped set up the trap, paying close attention to every detail. As they worked, other farm animals watched, curiously. The chickens whispered among themselves, hoping the plan would work. Even the ducks at the pond swam closer, circling as if to show their support. The farm's unity seemed stronger than ever. When night fell, Flick and Rufus were ready. The little mouse positioned himself strategically atop a haystack, while Rufus took his post beside the chicken coop. The full moon illuminated the field, casting long shadows that danced in the wind. The silence was broken only by the occasional chirping of a cricket. The fox, however, was not ready to give up so easily. She sniffed the air, sensing that something was different. As cunning as ever, she approached cautiously, avoiding the bells and circling the perimeter. But as she moved toward the chicken coop, she tripped over a string Flick had placed as a last resort. A net fell quickly, trapping the fox. Rufus barked loudly, alerting the entire farm, and Flick rushed to observe the result of their plan, his tiny heart racing with excitement. They had succeeded. The fox, finally captured, looked at the two friends with a mix of frustration and surprise. The farmer woke to Rufus's barking, and, upon arriving, was impressed by the ingenuity of the trap. He praised the faithful shepherd dog and, though he couldn't understand it, smiled upon seeing Flick beside Rufus. The farmer decided to take the fox far away, ensuring she would no longer pose a threat to the farm. With peace finally restored, the animals celebrated. Flick, satisfied with the outcome of his inventions and teamwork with his friend, returned to counting stars before sleeping, feeling more confident and happier than ever. Rufus, in turn, rested beside his house, knowing he had fulfilled his duty as the farm's guardian. And so, the friendship between the little mouse and the big shepherd dog became a legend in the Golden Valley farm, inspiring all the animals with their stories of courage, cleverness, and teamwork. Good night, little adventurers. May your dreams be as amazing as Flick and Rufus's adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more enchanting stories. See you on the next adventure.